Welcome to how to download your information on Instagram. So in this video we are going to show you how to download your information from Instagram. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up your Instagram and then make sure that you are into your Instagram profile, and then tap on these three lines at the top right here, and then tap on settings and privacy, and then simply search here, search info. Okay, type info, and then you will see this option where it says your information and permission. Tap on it, and then basically tap on this option where it says download your information, and then simply tap on this option where it says download or transfer information, and select your Instagram account and tap on next, and then basically tap on this option where it says all available information. And now what you're gonna have to do, it says that you can also download this information into your iPhone here, or you can basically transfer your information to any of the destination as well. You can basically transfer it to Google Drive or Dropbox as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.